Monkey phobia! Oh, hey, I think this was made by, I think I know who made this. Did Trout make this? No, Trout could not make this. It looks too pixelated. Oh my god, no! Run! Oh my gosh! Oh, that was your hat, dog. I thought the hat was the monster. I'm right here behind you. Don't worry, I'll be here. Backstabber. Turns around, I just stab him. I'm following you. I'm following you. Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god! Bro, run! Oh, I can't get in. Ha ha! You better back up before I shank you, dog. Ugh. I want to see his jump scare. Do not go into his jump scare. It's loud. Hey, bro, kids are watching. We can't say that no more. Oh, giggly. Oh, yeah, you're in the call. Go to app chat. That what happened last time I made a video, bro. You were in app chat, or not app chat, you were in a call. And then, the people couldn't hear you. There's two?
There's two. Oh, fuck.
Oh my gosh.
Jump scare, though.
Got me really fucked up.
Oh.
Got me. Ooh, I'm doing circles. Oh, crap. Got me really.
Oh. Oh.
Ooh, shake it, cuz, shake it, shake. Okay. Run into it at full force.
Oh, fucks. Well.
Come on. Down here, follow me. Bro, this game looks so creepy. Come on, just run. Oh, the other one went the other way. We lost one of the monsters.
Oh, they're both
I don't
here.
know where we're going. Oh, I know they're both here. I like how you can't hear them.
Actually, you don't know where they are.
Okay, they're still behind you. Let's go down this way.
Yeah.
Still behind you. They're like inside of each other. Pause. I feel like I'm in a backrooms video. Oh, great! This should stop them. No, that did. They went through the crates. You got me really. Come on,
Where'd
guys.
you go?
Bro, did you go the other way?
Yeah.
I see you. Go backwards. Over here. Go over here, bro. Okay, I thought I lost you. I was about to scream at the top of my lungs. I went down here. You went the other way, and I got scared. You can really outrun them. Oh, I thought we lost one. I was about to say. Oh, it's kind of getting lighter. Look where your flashlight is now. Bruh. Oh, nuts hit me at the top, and you know I'm gonna float. But that bad girl on me is she sucking me off slow. I'm running. I'm a runner. I'm a track star. She can hit me when I get far. Okay, I'm going back where we were. So I'll have to go past the crates. Yep, crates right here. This should stop them. Oh, good. Oh crap. Okay, I need to pick up the space. There's never. Bro, that's why you wear your straps on top. Hey, run the other way. Run the other way.
Oh.
I thought you just lagged out. Where's the entrance at?
Here it is.
Oh, it's right here. Oh my gosh. Bro, that felt so scary. Look up! Let's go into public lobby. So it'll be like more than one people. I don't know how much levels there are to this game. Ooh, always you can't touch the blacks. We don't like black. No, just okay. Okay, I'm gonna join random room. There's like 7 people on, so we should get into the same room. Okay. You have to leave room. You have to leave room and then leave server and then press it. Bro, it literally doesn't even change your color code. Got me really? Really? Hello? How much people are in
I'm
here?
gonna go because I'm gonna continue setting this up.
What?
That was the owner.
It was the owner. I just saw him.
That's the owner.
I feel offensive how I'm the only one that has a top hat on.
Follow me to the board.
Yeah, I know.
The chances are.
Yeah, I saw that.
The chances
I
are
got
very
the clips.
the owner's gonna be big.
Run, bro, run.
Oh,
You know where the exit is? You know where the exit is?
sexy lady. I'm coming,
Got me
people.
really? Really? Oh my god, he's going through the wall!
Sexy monkey.
I hear voices. I hear voices. I just heard a voice. It's like something. Because I wasn't paying attention. It's there again.
Just to be sure they can go through the box.
Yeah, I know that. I was just playing with my friend, and then we kind of went to the box, and thought I was gonna stop them, but then they just kind of clipped through the box. I'm gonna wait for y'all. Come on, people. Come on, let's roll.
Ready, fast, bear.
Run!
Ready, bear.
Oh, right here.
I will not you. Oh, hell no.
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, no, I don't want to die.
We gotta do this for our fears! No, I'm just joking, guys.
Where are you?
I feel like there's just gonna be something popping out of the thing. I hear voices. I hear like a voice inside my head. I swear I have never vaped in my life or done drugs. You can do a drug test on me like right now.
Is that vodka? Do you know what the end is?
No, I don't know where the end
Wait,
is.
guys, stay here. Don't worry, I'll go first.
Guys, come back
I'm
to
the
the
leader.
safe zone. Come back to the safe zone. No. Come back to the safe zone.
No fun.
No.
No.
Guys, come on.
Not a chance.
If we die,
I'm
we
the big
come
boy
back.
here.
If we die, we come back.
I am the older brother. I'm just joking.
Please just die. Please just die. I don't want to go.
You have to face your fears, brother.
Oh, crap.
You gotta face your
Uh,
fears. Oh my gosh, run!
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh, I think I killed the kid. Bro, we have to get out of here.
He's running.
Background video? Dude, there we go.
It's a blackened guy.
I thought it was a dead end. I was about to pee myself. Oh, oh, go! I can't believe we all did that. This way. Down here. This seems like somewhere it would be. Guys! Run, Black. Oh crap, it's a dead end! Oh my god. Bro, pig!
Guys,
Go, Black. Go.
It's not coming.
Guys, run! We don't want to go over there.
Tell me it's not coming, bro.
I just heard something in my head.
Oh, come on.
Bro, I keep hearing like a voice in my head. Duck, where's you at? I heard if you suffer like what has a jump scare? That's a really scary jump scare. Just keep shaking them. Shake them like one of fish. Run this way, guys. Run this way. This way, guys. This way.
I'll bet.
Okay, that's good. He's not on other people. Dead end. It's a dead end. Going this way.
Bro, you really tried to scare me.
Hi.
Oh my god! Really skipping it. Some kind of scaring people.
Cupcake.
Blood scared?
Where are you, Cupcake?
Watch out, guys. Put your swords.
Cupcake, where are you, Cupcake? Cupcake.
Run. I'm just joking. Let's go down this way. What? I just heard a voice in my head and it said this world is just a simulation and you're just my employees.
Oh yeah.
They're
little tiny voices. We call them
everybody this is our job because I also heard of that.
He said that this is just a simulation. You're just my employees.
You signed
We call it the whispers.
So this whole thing's
Or
fake.
the
None of
little
this is
voices.
real. None
We
of this
usually
is
call it the
real.
little voices.
So are we all black people? 'Cause we
Let's call him little boy.
But dude, we all of us were playing on our
Bro, my
monk
friend just fell
station.
to mad.
All of us were playing
I
on
think
our
y'all
monk
can't hear him.
station, and dude, we just got sucked up into this world.
Yeah.
We're
Oh,
playing on our monk station.
we're playing on the monk station. We got sucked into
My
here.
heart just
Okay,
said
that's
it's
actually a very good storyline.
Monk Station 3.
Oh my god! Oh my skibbity!
Monk
Oh my
Station
liberty!
3.
You're so liberty skibbity! Alright!
Hey, people.
Come over here. We're gonna look for this exit once and for all.
No employees left behind.
Come on,
No,
over here.
it's
Let's go
like-
this
I
way.
haven't heard a
Everybody
single
likes
whisper
this
yet. I haven't heard a single whisper.
this game?
He just keeps saying it's all a simulation. Whoa, it's a big room. It's a big room.
I hear a whisper.
Oh, 9248.
9248.
Remember that, 9248.
Have you ever thought of life? What if your life did not? Guys, I heard a whisper. I'm not lying. I heard
No,
a
it's
whisper.
Oh
not
my God.
248.
Go 9248.
Guys, I hear
9248,
a
guys.
whisper.
Remember that.
I keep
We're gonna need some
hearing whispers,
remembers.
bro. I just heard two whispers right now.
Oh, this is-
9248.
I think we've been here. Let's go down here.
9248.
Is that your guys' code?
The first
Yeah,
one,
mine is
the first
9248.
whisper said,
Okay, it's a
Have,
dead end.
have you ever wondered
We have to
if
juke
your
him,
life
guys.
is
We gotta
real?
juke him.
Have you ever looked?
Oh my god! Get you, skibbity!
Stop whispering.
Oh my gosh, I'm
Guys,
like
I don't
19.
fucking know y'all.
9248. Have to remember that. 9248.
Oh my god! I hear
I think we're here.
whispers,
We were
bro.
just here.
It's whispering. No, one said a whisper said he's watching. A whisper said he's watching, and we're like,
Somebody's watching.
9248. He said
Go down here.
And our grandpa.
Guys, remember that. 9248. Remember that. We're gonna need that.
Guys, I missed my turn.
I missed my turn too. Y'all didn't follow me. Oh, guys, I'm here.
Bro, I got
Go down
haunted.
here.
I'm getting haunted. Bro,
Yeah, we're all
I hear
haunted. This is a
whispers.
simulation. None of this is
I
real.
need-
So when we die, we
I
just
need the
respawn.
code.
Wait, guys,
What's
where
up
are
here?
you? I'm being chased by this
It's
big fat
9248.
monster.
I don't know.
Well,
We
good.
have like no clue. That's a dead end. That's
Oh, hey, guys.
9248, guys. We have to remember that. 9248. Do not forget that.
And there's a big fat monster.
The whisper. Oh my God!
Go down here.
Oh, the whisper said, "Is your body an imagination? Can you stop whispering?"
9248. 9248.
He just said if your life is a hole. That what he just said. I don't know what he said. I think he said that.
9248.
We're back where we were.
Guys, I keep.
Come on this way.
No,
No,
wait
no.
for me. Bro, we ate some kind of mushroom.
Guys, don't talk that much. Guys, don't talk to Matt. Guys, I'm telling y'all something. Don't talk to that much because you're gonna forget the code 9248. We can't forget that code. We need that code.
Okay, 9248. I need
Yeah,
to
so we
write
can't
that
talk
down
that much.
somewhere.
Yeah, if you write it down, you're good. Cause you could just tell the other
Guys.
people.
I heard it talking.
I just heard somebody yelling.
I heard it talking.
I don't know if that's somebody in like. Oh my gosh, she's chasing us.
Please die. Please die. Please
Go
die.
down this way. Yeah. Bro, go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
My, it
You got
said,
this. Let's go
my
this way.
life
Go this way. Go this way. Go
is
this way.
my life real? It said, is my life real? Mine said hello.
Oh, what the? What's
Mine
this?
said hello.
9248.
Can you stop saying?
Oh, I
Mine
found
said
it.
Hello.
I found it.
Yes, I heard you.
Hey,
My
bro,
life
get
is
that
real.
way. Oh, he can't get over here.
We don't even need
So,
the code. Why
This
we don't need
is
the
supposed to be a
Five,
safe
We
thing.
don't need the
2,
code.
4,
Guys, where are you at?
8. Oh, correct.
9. Guys,
it
where are
lifted?
you at? Please, tell me where you're at, please. No, you can just get left behind. You can just get left behind.
What the? Oh, we got it.
It's invisible.
Oh, is it
It's
actually?
invisible.
Oh, guys, wait for me. Wait for me.
Where are you? Please, where are you at?
The code is 9248 for anybody that's wondering.
9248.
What
This
the?
one is run from your life. Please die. This last one. This last one is run from
I got it right.
life.
Oh. Know what it is?
Guys, you left me.
Oh, my. Oh,
Guys, where
our
are
fault.
you at?
Oh, my god.
Oh, no.
Coming. Does it get smaller and smaller every time? Or that's where it was just a big giant hole. Come on. I have about 10 for sure. Like the music, the caramel. Oh, I don't see him. Parkour? Oh, crap. Well, this is like the first one to update, but if he updated the game, that'll be good. He's about to go viral. It's like a cool night. Oh, fine, I'll put it back there. So we figured out this whole game is not real. But we're all in
I see you guys.
Come on, hurry up! I think we have to wait for this song to go out. Loading. What the?
Yeah.
I'm loading. What the? I fell outside the map.
Whoa.
I just fell outside the map.
Oh, that's the end.
That's the
That's
end.
the end.
That's it. This is all simulation. Like and subscribe.